This is a complete tutorial on how to respond to reviews hassle-free in just a couple of clicks. To start, make sure your Facebook and Google accounts are connected. You will be able to respond right from the reviews page if you have them authenticated. Head to the Manage Reviews page to see a list of your customer reviews. You can filter here based on date, source, rating, or status. Let's filter to show only reviews that need a response. Here's a great review that we should respond to. You'll see these 3 quick action buttons. Each of these have been populated at random based on the star rating of that review. Select a template in one click, or flip through your options to find your favorite. You'll notice that your business name and the reviewer's name are automatically inserted into the template. Click Post, and you're done. Move on to the next positive review, and you'll see that you're presented 3 entirely different templates to choose from. This is so you won't post a string of identical responses and keeps it sounding authentic. And each default template was curated to follow industry best practices, such as including your business name only in positive reviews and providing a way to contact the business to take a negative conversation offline. This takes any guesswork out of review management. Plus, you're never limited to just a template. You're welcome to add anything to the text field you want. Feel free to add some humor or a personal touch. And what about a dreaded negative review? The process is the same. Select one of the default templates to automatically post a courteous and apologetic response. In the cases where customers have left a particularly detailed complaint, a custom response might be the best course of action, and this is always an option. Speaking of customizing, head over to the Response Templates tab under Settings. From here, you can edit or delete any templates you don't like, as well as create your own. Give your template a name, and type out your response. Add any dynamic components you'd like, including your business name for a positive review or phone number for a negative review where you'd like the reviewer to contact you. Specify for what star ratings you'd like the template to show up for. Save, and now that template is added to the pool. Now go out and get started. Respond to more reviews, get 5 stars, and create more happy customers.